For a warm-up today, we're going to do some counting. I could clap my hands once. I clapped one time. Copy me. 1. Now I'm going to clap this many times. How many times did I clap? If you said 2, you're right. Clap 2 times with me. How many claps do you think we'll do next? Did you say 3? You are right. Clap 3 times with me. What comes next? 4? You are right. Decide if you want to do fast claps or slow claps. I'm going to do slow claps for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next in our counting pattern? 5? You are right. I'm going to do fast claps this time. Are you going to do slow or fast? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look in your supply bag. You should have cubes, plastic cubes in 2 different colors. Today, you will only need 1 color. Go ahead and take those out, just 1 color, and make your cubes match this picture. How many cubes did you put on a table? Did you say 1, 2? You are right. There are 2 in this model. Model is a fancy word that we use in math, and it means a picture of what we did. So this is a model of 2 cubes. Okay, put those cubes back in your pile and get ready for another one. Let's count all the objects in this model. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in the model. Now count your cubes and see if you get to 3 like Miss Crane did. Okay, put your cubes back in the pile. Now let's count all of these cubes. Count with me and point at each cube as you count them. So look at my mouse pointer. You're going to be looking at your cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to touch a new cube every time I count a new number. There are 4 in the model. Do you have the same amount? Clear your workspace. That means move the cubes back to the pile and get ready for the next picture. Wow, they are not in a line this time, but we can still count them. Let's count all the objects in the model. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in the model. Now count your cubes to see whether you have the same amount. Did you get 3? If you did, move them back and get ready for the next picture. I wonder how we're going to place our cubes this time. Make your cubes on the table look like mine. Count them with me and let's see how many we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cubes in this model. Okay, move those cubes back to your pile. Let's count all the objects in this model and make your cubes look the same. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in this model. Do you have the same amount? Nice job. Move your cubes back to your pile and get ready. Make this picture. Let's count together how many are in this model. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cubes in this model. Okay. And we've already done a ton. So we're going to fast forward and go on to your seesaw activity, which is, guess what? Counting practice.